Hello there and welcome to another video from Martin's Circus Skills Workshops, and today I'm going to show you how to make a balloon elephant just like this one here. Okay, now distinguishing features of an elephant are obviously its trunks and its very big ears, so that you really want to concentrate on getting them right. The rest of the design is pretty much almost the same as what you would do for a one balloon dog. So if you can do that, when you sort of get past sort of the neck, you can do the rest of the design pretty easily. Notice the tail is quite small and stumpy, so it's about a 1-2 finger bubble there. At the end, you're going to pop that excess off if you've got any excess left. So again, you just need a single 260 balloon. So I'm going to inflate this and I'm going to leave about 5 fingers uninflated at the end. A little bit of air out. That helps to keep it nice and soft. A bit more. You can really use any colour. I think grey is a good colour though. If you've got a grey 260, use that. I'm sort of running short of grey 260s, so I'm going to use a blue. So I'm going to start with the trunk, and I want to give it a sort of trunk-like shape. So a good 6-7 fingers. And give it a nice squeeze. Get that nice and soft at the beginning. You see I've sort of got that trunky kind of shape already. Now I'm going to do the ears. So again, I want to keep the balloon nice and soft. And about 4 fingers width. And then you're going to come back on yourself like that and just do a lock twist. That's one. Do the same to the other side. 4 finger bubble, come back on yourself. So there you can see our elephant's already kind of taking shape. Do a 1 finger bubble, kind of just for the neck. And then, as I say, the rest is just like for the one balloon dog. So for about 3 fingers for the legs. Another 3 fingers. Remember, use that twist so your 1 finger bubble doesn't come and done. Make a twist there. And you still should have a little bit that's uninflated. So about 3-4 fingers for the body. And then you're just going to do the back legs in exactly the same way that you did the front legs. About a 3 finger bubble, using those fingers to pinch the end of the body. Do another 3 finger bubble. You're going to take this, twist it into here where you've got your fingers. Now you might want to keep that for your tail. I think that's a bit on the kind of long side really. My liking. So I'm just going to do a really small bubble, pop it off, let some of the air out, not all, and then tie a knot. So I've got a little sort of stubbly tail there. And there we have a 1 balloon elephant. Now you can rearrange, things will get knocked around, so you can just sort of rearrange them at the end to get them just as you like them. So I quite like it like that actually now. And you can just get your marker and just finish off. So I'm just going to put some eyes kind of at the top of our kind of trunk, some eyebrows, and then I'm just going to give sort of some little dimples, because elephants have quite kind of crinkly kind of skin. Just like that. So that's your 1 balloon elephant. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, hit me up with a like. Subscribe to me if you haven't already. It only takes a click of a fingers just to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. There you go. There's your moment. You've probably already done it. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Until next time, this is goodbye from Martin Circus Skills Workshops. Bye bye.